right. Hello, Rovers. Today is a big day here on the homestead because it's Mrs. Rover's birthday. Now, you might have been keeping track of that because the last video was all about the easel that I was building her, but she's not aware of it yet. So she's going to be very shortly. And before that, I've got to get this decoration up, and also I managed to get a cake. The reason I'm going, well, I'm saying I'm going a little overboard, but perhaps a lot of you are saying, what? Is because last year, during this time, I was actually off on my sailing adventure, so I didn't get a chance to celebrate the last birthday with Mrs. Rover. So we're going to make this one a little bit special. On top of this birthday being the first birthday we're celebrating at the new homestead in this lovely little 12-foot by 12-foot home that we are currently calling the Toehold. It's our toehold on the property. If you have a better name, please share it with us. Anyway, the decorations. What do you think? Is that festive looking? Happy birthday. And on top of that, I did manage to get a birthday cake. On the hunt for chocolate cake, which, by the way, is Mrs. Rover's favorite. Back in the homestead, time to reveal to Mrs. Rover her birthday present.
Oh my goodness, what's this? It looks like a big canvas tarp.
All right, the unveiling. Happy birthday.
Oh, it's an easel. Oh, thank you. That's something that I've wanted for a while now. Thank you so much.
What will be the first painting that you do with it?
Oh my goodness. Well, we have a lot of beautiful birds here on Prince Edward Island. I think I'll do a painting of a bird.
All right, sounds good. Well, I can't wait to see you get stuck into it on the new easel, and I want you to test it out and be honest and let folks know if you can think of any improvements, because this is the Mark I easel.
Yes.
Anybody interested in chocolate cake at Rover's Rest? What do you think of the cake?
Oh, chocolate, my favorite.
Now, I just would like everybody to join with me in wishing Mrs. Rover just an absolutely marvelous birthday and a marvelous new year. Little piece or big piece?
Just a little piece. Just a sliver.
Okay. There we go. One little sliver coming up.
Can't wait.
Well, in the next episode, we prepare Rover's Rest for what is the first real blizzard of the season. As always, the best way to help Rover's Rest is by sharing this on your social media. So, until next episode, thanks for watching.